What's up, guys? Welcome to the first video on my channel. I'm going to be now this is the first video on my channel, and I know that I don't have a channel trailer, but I'm actually not gonna do a channel trailer because I know that some other YouTubers do a channel trailer, but I'm not gonna do a channel trailer. And so this is the first video on my channel, and I'm gonna go ahead and get logged on to Minecraft, and let's see, should I change my skin? You know what, I'll just go ahead and change my skin to you know what, let's just do you know what skin am I gonna do? What skin am I gonna do? Um, you know, I'll just go ahead and just stick with this skin. Alright, got that out of the way. Now let's hit play. Now we can play some Minecraft now for my first video. So let's go. And I know that I should have had a YouTube channel back when I first started playing Minecraft. I know I should have made my first video before Minecraft had all these updates, but I couldn't, and so let's go ahead and go on to multiplayer, cause I'm now a Minecraft YouTuber. Okay, don't know why I hit that. Oh, so let's do /kit PvP. Oh, alright, let's go. We're gonna start PvP now. Oh look, here's another player. Where'd that other player go? Oh shoot, aw shucks, he just got away. Oh, and these are the richest players and top killers on the server. Alright, I actually want to be one of the top killers. Then I want to replace Kappas. But I am great friends with Dead Skelly 2015. That's his gamer tag. And recent purchases are Equino XOW 7 underscore Oblivion 7D, and top voters Skull Exact, Jerome 844, and Liam 1970. So those are her gamer tags. Alright, let's go ahead and go. Oh, so you're PvPing with the stick? Ow. So you're gonna PvP with the stick? Okay, let's go ahead. Now I'm definitely gonna be one of the top killers. Let's go. Die, 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 die. I'm not winning yet. No. Die, 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 die. I'm out of here. You know what? I'm just gonna 1v1 on. Yo. Where's that other player going? Okay, never mind. Hello there again. You're not good. You're bad. You are totally bad. You're seriously gonna fight me with the stick, so you're gonna just PvP me with the stick? How could you PvP someone with the stick? That's the worst thing to use as a sword. That's not even a sword. My armor is not damaged yet, but okay, that's the worst. That is seriously the worst thing to use as a sword, bud. I'm not kidding. And jeez. Hey, come back here. Come back here. Hey, you ain't getting away from me. No, you're not getting away from me. That's not how it works. Come here. Alright, I'm totally winning. Did I just hear something break? I'm glad it wasn't your armor, because then I would have won. Oh my gosh, she's actually running away. Oh, I got him. Hey, I was gonna get him. We both got him. Ha ha ha. You know what? I've about had it with you and that stick. Give me that stick, please. What? What? You have another helmet? I can explain. You know what? No, you know what? No, I am not doing that. I'm too scared. What? You're giving her armor? That's not even fair. That's not even fair on the PvP. It's not even fair. It's not even fair. Oh god, I just lost. Yup, I just lost a PvPing battle. Ooh. Okay, so there's nothing in the chest here. Okay, I see. Yo, I can just go ahead and hit this dude right. Oh no, he just got me. I was not expecting that. Oh crap. Give me my stuff back. No, no, leave me alone. Oh no, don't attack me. No, please, stop attacking me. Leave me alone. Leave me be. Alright, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and. Alright, guys. Alright, guys.